In recent years, low interest rates, digitalization, the arrival of fintechs, and the constant increase in regulatory requirements have led to declining revenues and rising costs in the financial sector. Banks and other financial institutions must adapt to these significant changes within the industry by taking measures to navigate through the crises and ensure business continuity. They must look at automation, standardization, and IT outsourcing and regulatory reporting to reduce their regulatory costs so that they can refocus on their core business. To remain competitive in the future, financial institutions must respond to the following three trends in regulatory reporting. The trend away from collecting aggregated data towards more granular data sets, the standardization of data models and data processing logic, and the rise in co-opetition in the financial sector. That is, increased cooperation between competitors in some areas of their business, while they continue to compete in others. This means that market players must consider new models of cooperation and innovative technologies in order to exploit economies of scale across borders. Economies of share result in cost advantages by using a standardized data model, a common service landscape, and a common IT infrastructure. Supervisory authorities around the world are now working on establishing data management platforms for the entire banking sector. Because of these trends, factory platforms are becoming more and more attractive for banks and financial institutions. With our RegTech Factory, we offer a digital, fully integrated, and automated reporting factory that helps to achieve significant savings in the technical and functional operation of the reporting system for participating banks and financial service providers. With our standard reporting software and modern internationally certified data centers, the RegTech Factory meets the requirements for IT outsourcing in the banking sector, while enabling business continuity and cost savings in regulatory reporting. The RegTech Factory operates in 3 layers. Our infrastructure service sits on the Bearing Point RegTech private cloud and is provided through a fully certified data center, which complies with the highest standards in data protection. Our application management team looks after the operation of the reporting software, while our managed services specialists will support you through the entire reporting process. The RegTech Factory can significantly improve the quality of reporting across the financial sector, while also increasing the efficiency of existing systems and processes. In addition to the potential cost savings, the RegTech Factory also strengthens governance structures. In this way, the RegTech Factory is making a significant contribution to the harmonization of and transparency in financial markets. The RegTech Factory draws on over 25 years of experience in developing regulatory reporting software and over 15 years of managed service delivery to offer its members access to the largest reporting ecosystem in Europe. We assume that most banks and insurance companies will outsource their reporting processes to external service providers within the next 5 years. We are excited to contribute to this development and look forward to supporting you on this journey.